Hey, what's up guys, it's me Kevin and I'm back for another video. So for today we will be reviewing the Moondrop Space Travel TWS. This cost me around 1,300 pesos or around 24 US dollars or 25 US dollars. Around that price range. So the unboxing experience of the space travel is what you come to expect from this budget release. So basically you have a small box right here of included accessories. The design of the box, however, is due to the material used. The plastic shell is looks foggy. That's kind of take away from the experience, though. It's just a small nitpick. Unfortunately, due to the case of being somewhat loose, the stuff inside might shake. So let's check out the box itself. Let's open this. So this has a front cover, a front lip plastic. Let's take out the, this is the case. And of course you have a USB Type-C charging cable and some extra tips, ear tips. So that's about it. There's no manual or anything. It's basic stuff. So you get a Type-C cable, a selection of three pairs of tips, no documentations whatsoever. You have the case and the buds itself, right here. So upon using this for about a while now, the standard tips I found rather uncomfortable. It's easily slipped out of my ears. So there's a small and large sizes. Comes with the box. They're an oval shape, so opposed to the normal circle tips, that doesn't stop you from using aftermarket tips. So you can just buy on your local shops where you can just change the tips for your comfort. So the fit and finish is inoffensive with the phone tips. I found it real pleasant to the ear. The lightness played a nice part. So it's really lightweight in the hands and the ears, as you can see here. It will last you for about 3 to 4 hours with 70 to 80% volume, which is really the standard in this price range. So that's quite nice. So you can wear this for long periods of time. You can use it in the gym, though it doesn't have an IPX rating, so I'm not sure if it's water resistant or waterproof. It doesn't say that. So that's the downside of it. So the case quality is nice, polished, apart from the glaring issue of the buds sometimes falling out. So it's really a little bit loose to my liking. However, I could say the same for the buds. The quality of the other TWS from this price point is the same. So I'm not really complaining. It's just a little bit of a downside on this TWS. So the sound quality, the most important part of this review. To put it simply, for how much this costs, it's really cheap. The sound is really incredible as long as you're not a bass head like me. So I've been using this for about a week now. So if you have phones that has an AAC, of course I haven't said that earlier. This has AAC for this price point. It's really good. So my personal experience, the sound profile didn't wow me at first. However, when I started using this more and more, the sound is well tuned, although they don't get quite loud as much as I like. So they're quite spacious. The bass response isn't incredible, even with the bass head equalizer profile. There's an app called Moondrop Link, which is not available on App Store or the Play Store, but you can download the APK. I'll leave the link down below to be able to change the equalizer for this thing, because the standard equalizer, the standard profile of this earbud is not really good. In my opinion, I mean it's okay for the price, but it's if you use the equalizer, it will be much better. So for the price, overall it's good. It's great. I mean it's warm. It's balanced for my taste. Though the main annoyances is having the lack of being able to pair it with multiple devices on where you can just easily disconnect this from one phone to the other device. So even though this has a 5.3 Bluetooth, as far as I'm aware, switching from different multiple devices is not available for you. So that's quite a disappointment, but you get what you get. So the touch controls have been very solid so far. I mean, I haven't had a issue on controlling this on for its touch sensitivity, and it's quite responsive. So I'm not complaining on that area. The battery life is a little bit subpar. The charging time is it will take you about 1.5 hours, and the battery life is as I said earlier, it's about 3 to 4 hours, about 70% to 80% volume. So there's an ANC and transparency mode, which are present, which is really good for this price point. So it doesn't have a lot of transparency and has a lot of white noise. If you know what I mean by white noise, it's just a little bit distracting whenever you turn on the ANC. You'll hear a bit of white noise, so it's not really pleasant experience. So there's also no wireless charging. There's a charging port right at the bottom of the case that you can use. So that's also a bit of disappointment because some of the earbuds for this price point has a wireless charging, but that's just me. So a short conclusion: great for the price. Don't expect amazing things outside of sound quality, and it comes to come across of a half baked, especially in some areas. Decent for desktop and phone use. It has a decent tuning, special for budget. That's about it. If you like this design, which I personally like, I like the uniqueness of the design. It's really a comfortable experience in the ear if you know the size of the tips that you will use. But the standard that which is installed on the first try, it's not really good. So I have to change it for a little larger than what's in the stock. So that's about it, guys. If you have any more questions regarding this earbuds, I'm really liking this. It comes with the quality you get for this price point. The sound quality is good for the price. It has a decent build quality. It's really light and it's easy to use. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I helped you with some of the information about these earbuds. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.